up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy you found my channel. I like to do fashion and craft DIYs, as well as share my shoe collection, shopping hauls, and subscription boxes with you. If any of that is of interest, please consider hitting that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you know every time I upload a video. Alright guys, I know I'm doing everything way out of order here because Saturday is the day that I unbox subscription boxes, but I just got my June Diva Bag by Sonya and I am really excited about what I got in this bag. So I thought I would go ahead and share this video with you today on a whatever Wednesday. So without further ado, let's see what I got. Okay guys, for those of you who are not familiar with the Diva Bag by Sonya, this one is $12 a month and Sonya packs a really big punch for $12 a month. She finds some of the most unique, crazy items that she puts in these bags and you will not find those items in any other subscription box. Sonya's awesome. I love her. I love this bag and that's why I will never ever cancel this subscription as long as she's in business. Alright guys, let's see what I got for the month of June. Excited. Okay, so I have everything already unwrapped, ready to go so I can speed things up. She likes to put some candy in her bags each month, and this month are these cute little dum-dums, so that's awesome. I will definitely eat those. And then I got these two brushes, and I don't know, guys. I had a hard time seeing what the brand name is for these brushes. I'm going to go ahead and put it this way, and I'm going to zoom in on it, and maybe somebody can tell me who the brand is on these brushes, but I'm really excited about them. I did feel them. They feel awesome. They're eye brushes and I can't wait to use them. So that's really exciting. Okay, and then I have a couple of samples in here. This is the Perfectly Posh So Fresh So Clean with hyaluronic acid, shea butter, and coconut oil. It's a body wash. And I got two of them in the package. So they're just little samples and I'll definitely try them out. And if I like it, I'll buy some more. Okay, and then where to go to next? Okay, so I got this lipstick Profusion. So here it is in the packaging here. And I'm going to take it and pop it up for you. That is a great color. Really excited about the color. Let's go ahead and swatch. Wow. Yes, please. Yes. Oh, yes. I am really excited about that color. That is fabulous, guys. Okay, can't wait to try that. And I was super excited about this. This is Too Faced Metallic Sparkle Lipstick. Yes, I mean, yes, and yes. Oh my gosh, I'm so super stoked about this. I already took it out of the packaging. Look at that packaging, guys. Gorgeous. Okay, so when you open it, look at that too. They got their logo right there. So awesome. Look at that color, guys. What? Oh my gosh, I'm so super stoked. We're swatcherooing this. Oh my gosh. You guys, this thing is beautiful. Wow, Sonya, you killed it. It's the one right here, in case you guys didn't know. That was the other one I swatched. Look at how gorgeous that is, guys. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to use that. That is like a perfect color for fall too. Super excited. So the next item is some of the crazier stuff that she puts in these boxes and bags rather. And a lot of people probably wouldn't be excited about this, but I'm super stoked. And you guys are going to see me do some makeup looks with these crazy lip stickers. Oh my gosh. Look, she sent this one right here. Yes! Guys, I'm so excited. So I'm going to try that one out and I will try this one out as well. What I'll do is I'll film a video with me, I'll film a video a day with me trying these out because I'll wear them for the entire day because I'm crazy like that, you know, and I'll go shopping, do whatever the heck I got to do because I'm that type of person. But I'm definitely going to do looks with all four of these and I'll do that in a video and I'll have it in an upcoming Wednesday. I'm going to start dedicating Wednesdays to makeup looks because I'm crazy and like to just totally skew everything for my channel. All right, so I also got this Beauty Creations Festival of Love palette. Guys, I don't need any more palettes, but I'm super stoked about this one. Okay, so here's what it looks like when you take it out of the little packaging. Gorgeous, right? Okay, so this thing has a mirror on it. I'm going to cover up the mirror. But look at how gorgeous these colors are. What? I am so excited. The whole palette should just have my name on it because that is totally me. I'm getting ready to do a makeup collab where we are going to do like all these types of colors. Like you have to do one color looks, and it's going to be super fun. So look forward to that coming in September. And there will be several other people involved in that, so you get to see several different looks with specific colors. And most people think that blue is crazy, and most people wouldn't do a blue look, but they're not me. Look at me today. And I do have places to go. I have a doctor's appointment, stuff like that. Don't think I'm not going out like this. I definitely am. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. If you do not have the Diva Bag by Sonya, why not? This is an awesome bag, $12 a month. You get awesome products that you cannot find in any other subscription box. Please, guys, check Sonya out. I have a link in the description box below. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! And that's why I love this bag, and that's why I will never, ever cancel it as long as she is still in business. Nailed it. All right. You do not get in any other subscription bag? I can't do a video without messing up. All right, try it again. Okay, guys. I totally forgot what I was going to say. And I just did a clip with what I needed to say. Wow. Am I getting old? Try it again. Okay, guys. So, why can't I do this? All right, hold on. Okay, guys. For those of you who are not familiar. Wow. I keep drawing a blank. I mean, I was doing so good. And then everything went to crap. Try it again. Okay, guys, for those of you who are not familiar with the Diva Bag by Sonya, this one is, I felt like that was wrong. Like I said it too fast or something. I don't know. Try it again. And I will always, always get this bag as long as she's still in business. So let's what I did awesome until I was like, let's see what I got in the bag. Oh. All right. Let's try to do awesome again. And that's why I 100% will never, ever cancel this subscription. I said it so much better before. Let's just try it again.